Hey guys, it's me again, and we didn't get to do a slime tutorial, but we did take the beads out of it, and this is the slime that, the bead slime my friend Winter gave me. We took the beads out, and this is what it looks like. I know it's not very big, but it looks plain. And as you see, it has like little glittery stuff in it. All kinds of glittery stuff. Whenever you usually put it on your hand like this and smush it down, it leaves glitter all over you. So this is the slime that is very starchy that I took the beads out of it. And I think we are going to make a slime tutorial because we're making some for my friend because she gave me this, and we thought that it would be nice for us to make her some, and I don't know what kind, but I will definitely make a video of that whenever we do it someday, maybe after school, I don't know, but I'm definitely going to do that. That is going to be fun. I will show you how to make it. And it will, I don't know what kind of slime it will be, but we'll need the products for it. And that's all. Just showing you my slime without the beads. Leave a like, turn my bell on so you never miss one of my Beanie Boo 9 or slime tutorials or Beanie Boo Elementaries. Subscribe, like, or comment. I'll leave the comment down below, and I'm gonna give a giveaway or a shout out. Subscribe.